Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Detecting QR codes and barcodes using opencv in Python can be accomplished with the help of the CV2 module from opencv and the pyzbar library. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the process. Prerequisites. Make sure you have the following libraries installed in your Python environment. 1. opencv. 2. pyzbar. You can install them using pip. Step 1. Import required libraries. Start by importing the required libraries. Step 2. Load the image. You can load an image containing a QR code or barcode using opencv. You can also capture video from your webcam if you want to detect codes in real time. Step 3. Decode QR codes and barcodes. Use the decode function from the pyzbar library to detect and decode the QR codes and barcodes in the image. Step 4. Draw rectangles and display the results. You can loop through the decoded objects and draw rectangles around them, as well as display the decoded data. Full code example. Here is the complete code that combines all the steps mentioned above. Using webcam for real-time detection. If you want to detect QR codes and barcodes using your webcam in real time, you can modify the code as follows. Conclusion. You now have a complete tutorial on how to detect QR codes and barcodes using opencv and pyzbar in Python. You can either process static images or capture real-time video from your webcam. Modify the paths and parameters as needed for your specific use case.